Okay, we're gonna cook some spaghetti bolognese today, Filipino style, straight out of the bee that's jolly. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the meat.
Here, let me do it, Chef Charlie. There you go, Chef Charlie.
That's ground beef. Okay, so we're gonna boil some water first, because you know, spaghetti needs water. Brian, chop me a carrot.
Just like this, really? Actually, on my other job, I used to be a cook's helper, which means that whatever the chef needed, I did.
I've never been a cook's help, so but it's coming easy to me as well. It's not very hard, is it? But it's really easy.
What's with the ankles, man? Why get so close to his face?
This is my favourite thing in the world to do, chopping carrots. As you can tell. See the passion as I chop these carrots. Oh, that wasn't very good.
Okay, guys, you're not listening to me. I said one more carrot.
Please kids to be able to see in the dark, okay?
Right, so we're oiling up the pan so of course the meat doesn't stick. So you cook the beef until it goes golden brown. That's a lot of meat though, actually. I don't know if we're going to use all of this.
That was some meaty action.
Start chopping the onions and stuff
Daniel.
now.
Pass me that.
Get out of my way!
Now it is my turn. So it is my job now to chop the onions.
So it's always important to give back, right? It's not always easy to give back, especially if you're on your own. So the good thing for us is that we have a team. Go team! That's why we're trying to, you know, prepare a little meal. Well, not really a little meal. It's actually going to be a big meal. Give back to a few people. A feast almost. With teamwork, anything is possible, right?
Why? It's the best thing to give back.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Bro, in the teamwork.
Jesus.
And do you think?
Oh, this is killing me, man. My eyes are. Oh. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. It's sad.
So sad!
Even I'm also crying from the song. Not because of the onions, because the song is really touching.
You know what's important as well? When you're working hard is to take a break every now and then, so...
I didn't say you could take a break.
Oh, sorry, Chef Charlie. What do you want to do?
That's one of the reasons why I didn't want to cut the onions, because I'm so sensitive to onions.
Nico's sensitive to everything.
You have a sensitive personality.
Oi, I'll tell you one thing. These onions are like pepper spray, man. I cut onions in my
No,
face.
they're not like pepper spray. You know what's like pepper spray? Pepper spray.
So you can see the meat's looking good. It's going to that nice brown colour. So this is what you do with bolognese. You cook the meat until it goes brown. There's still a bit of red in there, so I'll cook it for about 5 minutes longer. And after that, we add the onions.
Onions. Daniel.
What?
These are not adequately chopped. These are too large.
Oh, I asked you how you chop the onions, and you said chop the onions. You didn't say what size, Charlie. Medium, small, or large.
So I got drained spaghetti, but our drainer's quite small. As you can see, the size difference.
Or else it's gonna, I told you to push it in, or else it's gonna go out.
It's meant to be the kids we're feeding. Time check. It's like what time is it? Time check 9:30. I think all the kids are gonna be in bed by the time this meal's done. Okay, right, we're adding the sauce. Brian, can you open the other sauce for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Chef.
Sweet Filipino style, because you know, Filipinos are very sweet. Sweet Filipino style, because Filipinos are very sweet.
Carrots.
Just blop them in.
Blop them in.
You're supposed to boil the carrots first?
No. Where's the salt, guys? Can you get me some salt?
We can get some
I know
salt.
where the salt is.
Ah, this. He's better than all three of you put together. Look at you. That would have been dangerous. We'll put 2 tablespoons of salt.
Like salt.
Okay.
And now we need some way of transporting this food towards those hungry mouths.
Need some more cartons. Just bring over the whole packet, Brian.
Alright, so everything's packed up and ready to go. We're gonna go to Fuente Osmeña because we saw a bunch of kids there yesterday when we were just walking around, and they looked like they were kind of hungry. So today we're gonna be giving them out to kids. So now we're leaving our host home, and we're gonna give the food to the kids.
Thank you. Bye, Kuya Justin.
150 pesos.
Where's my other son?
Take care.
Bye.
Thank
you.
Bye.
The hard thing is that we're going to Bohol, so we're carrying all our stuff at the same time. But before we head to Bohol, we're gonna feed the kids. So there's a lot of stuff on us. We're gonna have to put it down somewhere. But before we do, we're gonna figure out where.
Take steady cam a minute, Brian.
You what?
Nico. So we're finally on our way home. We're not even on our way home. It's just
It's really bright.
we've got to stay somewhere else because we're off to Bohol tomorrow. It's been nice staying in this neighborhood. It's nice to know what's going on in the other areas when it's so close to My place is over there, just Bazak Alumnus.
Yeah.
It's where all my family live. Any trouble around here, watch out for
Do it.
Isaac's bro. With this light in my eyes, I can't actually see.
I can't see anything. I just see a white light. Yeah.
One interesting thing as well. One interesting thing as well is the logistics of carrying food. You think it's easy, you put it in a bag and you give it, but you have to make sure it doesn't spill. And we already had 2 of them spill. So
Yeah, what we're gonna do with the spilled ones, Mika? You're gonna eat those.
if I get hungry, I'll eat
You're
them.
gonna lick it out of the bag.
It does taste really good though.
Gutom ka ba?
Meron kaming... Masay mo nga? Masay mo nga?
Chan chan.
Jan.
Nice to meet you. So I've got 3 meals here. The people over there, they look like they really need it, so there you go.
Everyone's asleep. Spaghetti bolognese, Filipino style. Okay, you enjoy it, huh?
Lumi kaya. Sige.
Normally used to eat it. Make this one. Okay, so this is the last bit. Unfortunately, it came out of the carton, so we just tied it up and put it in a bag. Well, we just left it in the bag that it came in with a fork inside, and we're just gonna leave it to these guys. That's all we've got left.
Bye-bye, tita. Bye-bye. Yeah.